Let me tell you something you can really trust. Everybody's got a wicked side. I know you think that you can never be like us. Watch and learn so you can get it right.
You need to drag your feet. You need to nod your head. You need to lean back. Slip through the cracks. You need to not care.
You need to not stare.
You need a whole lot of help.
You need to not be yourself. You wanna be cool? Let me show you how. You break the rules. I can show you how. Once you catch this feeling,
Yeah, once you catch this feeling, you'll be chillin', chillin'. Oh, chillin' like a villain. Chillin' like a villain. Chillin' like a villain. Hey, chillin' like, hey, a villain.
attention when you act like that. Let us teach you how to disappear. You look like you would lose a fight tonight, yeah. You gotta be wrong to get it right round here.
You need to watch your back. You need to creep around. You need to slide real smooth. Don't make a sound. And if you want it, take it. And if you can't take it, break it. If you care about your health,
Seriously, you need to not be yourself. You wanna be cool? Let me show you how. You don't break the rules. I can show you how. And once you catch this feeling,
yeah, once you catch this feeling, you'll be chillin', chillin'. Oh, chillin' like a villain. Chillin' like a villain. Chillin' like. I really wanna be that a lot, and I'm giving it my best shot.
But it's hard being what I'm not. Well, if you don't, you're gonna get us caught.
he said we gotta stay low key. Now show us how bad you can be.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like this?